2020, a Tier 1 automotive supplier contacted MPI to see if we could help them with their scrap metal challenges. Like many metal forming companies, this manufacturer was plagued with weekly downtime due to scrap handling equipment. The customer had over 450 feet of underground steel belts that conveyed scrap out of the building and into a scrap distribution system. The steel belts commonly jammed, which led to weekly downtime. The log jam of scrap building up also damaged the conveyor frames. A better solution was definitely needed. The customer had purchased smaller press-mounted electric shakers from MPI in the past, such as this model M50 here. They turned to MPI for this much larger project for two reasons. One, our equipment had consistently outperformed the competition. And two, we had earned their loyalty because we had been able to meet very tight delivery timelines on previous projects. MPI has earned a reputation for our customer service and reliability. We are responsive to our customers' projects and do not get bogged down in red tape. MPI understands the time constraints on capital equipment installations and the challenges of maintaining uptime in the plant production process. We strive to make the buying process with MPI as easy as possible so that your downtime is minimized. Our operational efficiency extends into the customer buying process. We make it easy for you to make improvements on your capital equipment. After the initial discovery session with this customer, we agreed that MPI was the right fit. We assessed the existing system and proposed a layout for new equipment. Upon review, discussions, and customer acceptance of the proposal, MPI conducted a final engineering assessment for dimension, data, and then began manufacturing the equipment. MPI's patented technology eliminates the problems that are common to steel belt scrap conveyors, including jamming and scrap waste bouncing off the belt before it gets into the collection location. We knew that the MPI electric scrap shaker would be the ideal solution for the customer. MPI installed the conveyor during the customer's winter shutdown and New Year's holiday. Working with the 24-hour crew, we first torch cut and removed the steel belts with the crane. The pits were cleaned to scrap metal and then power washed. Anchors were then installed in the concrete. The conveyor was installed in a pit 6 feet below floor level. The system consists of over 450 feet of underground conveyor to remove the scrap from 13 presses. It is designed to move up to 15,000 pounds of scrap per hour. Here are just a few of the main features that make the MPI conveyor the ideal solution for scrap waste management. 1. Single pan systems, hundreds of feet long, were sized for the application to contain the scrap on the pan. 2. Maintenance-free rubber suspension bearings support the pans and eliminate metal-on-metal contact points. RST bearings require no grease or maintenance. Metal is transferred reliably and quietly via the smooth, low-frequency, horizontal motion sealed pan. Optional Industry 4.0 intelligence for lights-out operations. And lastly, lower maintenance costs and higher uptime deliver a quick return on your investment. This installation was completed on time and on budget. A plant management executive reported that their maintenance costs are down by 80% with the new MPI shaker system. Weekly downtime occurrences have been eliminated, and when the maintenance crews need to work around the unit, it is much safer to do so. Another benefit is that the conveyor contains the scrap much better at the receiving and transition points. With the old system, when scrap dropped onto the steel belt, it bounced and often left the conveyor and fell into an underground trench. This resulted in scrap piles that had to be cleaned out. MPI's solid steel pan eliminates this problem. MPI's electric shakers help you slash your maintenance cost, avoid unplanned downtime, and increase safety. Contact us today to see if MPI's technology is the right solution for your scrap management needs. Thank you for watching.